Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. It's Axtuo. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just gotta do it. Welcome back. I hope you're doing okay. I have this 2020 Acura TLX. Yeah, me, Axtuo, Burung. Hey, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Okay. I have a video of a 2019 Acura TLX. Okay, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. I'm gonna do this just for God's sake. Alright, and I hope you like the video. Enjoy. Shout outs to my subscribers. Where would I be without y'all? And please subscribe to my channel. Do that for me. Alright, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do it. Always wear your safety glasses. Highlight your boy. Let's get it. After that, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. Yada me. We come down here. That's how you open the hood. You seeing this girl out here in the field. Here. Right here in the middle. That's a latch. Let it go, alright? You have to let it go. There you go, 020. Synthetic oil. Yeah, me. Oil dipstick so you can check the level. It's understood. And that's pretty much it. Alright. Oh, let me show you the 2020 3.5 liter. Okay. And this is for the Freon, the AC. It still takes the previous Freon R1348. Okay. And that's how much it takes. 0.525 kilograms. Alright. So yeah, the double muffler, I'm saying. This pipe, resonator. Another resonator. That's a cat. Flats. And that's the guy we're looking for. That's the oil drain plug. And the oil filter is right there. You see it? If you don't want to make a mess, you can remove this cover. Your other option is to put a rack here, so when it leaks, it doesn't go down there. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a rack here. Okay, hit it with a 17 millimeter, classic of Honda and Acura. Alright, yeah, 17. Alright, so. It's taking a minute. You see, I told you, that's why I put the rack over there. It's kind of hot now. It's your boy. Alright, fuck it. Oops, sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay, time to put the oil drain plug back. You see, that's why I put the rack over there. I'm telling you, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro. Okay. And you don't want to keep the rack there too long because it's gonna need to fit the purpose. You know what I'm saying? Okay. 17. Yeah, me. Alright, let's do the oil filter now. You seen this guy? Okay. Go easy on it, you know what I'm saying? Loose it a little bit so it drains some of it. Alright. And then whole thing now. Be careful. Just remove it, you know what I'm saying? That's the part number for that brand, barber line. Clean that. Just gotta clean what it sits. You know the deal. This is a new part, 7356. Yeah, I mean, parts master. Shout outs. Love the old ring. Install it by hand though, okay? By hand. This filter is made in America, by the way. Alright, made in US. Okay. So, yep, tied it by hand. And then we proceed to pour the oil. Yeah, I mean. Okay, 0W20. Since it's 3.5, I'm gonna pour 4 quarts, 4.5. Then check the label. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so like I said, let me put the engine oil cap back. Okay, I poured 4 quarts synthetic oil, 0W20. Let me show you how it looks like without the oil. Okay, it's supposed to be right here. With that line. Sorry. It's supposed to be right here in this line. Right here in this one. Okay. There you go. 4 quarts. What you gonna say? Alright. This is how the 2020 looks like. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Axtuo's back. I'm back. Alright. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this TLX 2020 Acura. Me. As soon as you start the vehicle, you know you're gonna see that message. Maintenance due soon. Alright, with the wrench. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset now. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. You know what to do, you know the dealio. Alright, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. You know what time it is. Alright, okay, enough. It's enough. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna play with this guy right here. Not like that though. If you press it, it's okay, okay? But you can just scroll down, scroll up like this. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Go vehicle settings, press OK. Scroll down more. Go there, maintenance info, press OK. Now scroll down, reset, press OK. Reset completed. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Acura TLX. Yeah, me. Alright, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Holla at your boys. See you in the next one. Alright, stay safe. Always wear your safety glasses. Alright, don't make me tell you again. See ya.